Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video as a gold video plus some more setups. So let's get started. We've been tracking a gold since this 14th May. I mean, we're tracking all along, but I'm gonna take it from here. The wave five is starting, right? So wave one, two, three, ABC correction four, and I thought maybe wave five we're gonna start from here. So first thing, what happened? It went up and then it came down, and the second chart I made was like this, right? So it went up and it came down here to 31.67. So I said from here, I'm gonna go here 33.71, 23% line usually of the same fib, right? So after that, so I'm gonna switch gear and then I'm gonna skip a lot of charts in between, and then let's see if I can just get to the point. So we were here finally, right? So after one, two, and then again we had tons of trades going to the upside, then drop for wave four. I predicted every single step of these waves, right? But from here, on the 22nd, I said we're gonna go up and finish this wave three. So what happened to this chart? Then you know exactly what happened, right? So we hit that and we finished that. So I make the chart that now wave three is finished and we're probably gonna drop for wave four. And that's exactly what happened. That I made this chart, right? And I gave it to you guys, right? And look what happened to this chart is this just now. A little while ago, I recorded the chart, right? So this is how it is. And then I made this current chart now that if this is wave four and we finish, then we're supposed to be staying above this 38% and then go up, back up for wave five, right? So that would be like one, two, three, and three waves, like subwaves, one, two, three, four, five. Then wave four. First, I thought maybe this is A of wave four, but I think now that why? Because this is my Renko chart. But if you look at my regular chart, let me see this one, for example, right? For our gold H4 chart. So this is the chart that same count, same Elliott wave count. So this wave one and two. Look at this wave two. It's a sharp drop, and the time wise from here to here, very whatever the time is, right? But compare that to wave four that is going to happen here, and which is this. So you see this from here, time wise, from here to here sideways, if you look at it, this time for wave four is much bigger than this. So I think now that this probably like it is a small a, then sideway B, and then C. So wave four is finished here somehow, right? And then from here, we're going to be going to the upside. So I made this chart now that we might be, here. So we already touched the 38%, by the way. Let me just go and take a look. I'll show you that. Where the heck is that? What is this? Okay, here. See that? So beautifully it came and then it touched and kissed the 38% by the book, to the pip, right? And then now posting a doji. So there is another candle before doji. So in a 4-hour chart, you got, you call this like a spinning bottom, a spinning top, right? So it is a spinning bottom at the level 38%. And then there are several levels here on the side. You can see here. Um, um, where are this? No, one of the level is this one. I forgot to mark this one here, right? So we can mark that. Well, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This is the one that so 32.90, right? So we came a little bit below that actually, and you can see 32.99, 32.69, right? So we came as low as we made 85, 32.85. So we stayed below, above this and then just below this, right? 32.99, 32.85, and then again now going. This is even 32.90, and this is 32.85, right? One more time, I'm going to take a look, and that's 32.85, and you see this 32. This is 79. This is 90. So it is in between that. 38% was 32.84, and now we are getting stopped, I think, right? So if we stay above this and then start to go, then go into the upside. And the trades that I took, I'll show you in the next video. I mean, I had a couple of beautiful trades coming to the downside. One for 430 pip, and the other one was like 220 pip. You can see it's on my website. So now this is what the gold is doing. Now some other setups. Quickly, I want to show like this one, right? So now after all this, okay, now I'm gonna make a separate video where I'm gonna show that how I had trades like pound yen for 190, euro yen for 150, and several other, right? USD yen and CAD yen, all yen pair went up big time today. Why and how I have all these big trades. And you can repeat the same very easily, right? So I'm going to make a separate video showing every single thing, what actually happened and then why they all ran to the upside, right? And how I got in and how I hold the trade. The important thing is to hold the trade for the max, to the max, right? The maximum amount of pippers and how you determine the maximum amount of pippers, right? So I'm going to show in that next video. But this one, I'm showing new setups that, we already went, euro, yen. This is, we went from here, 62, 62. It's a big, big level. We bounced from here and then straight up to this, 63.72. See that? So, this one, and now we are staying at 61%, and then this level here, 63.72. And currently, what we are doing is I recorded this chart like an hour ago. So let's take a look at the current setup. Is this? You see that? So we went up a little bit. We, trying to make a reversal candle, right? So as soon as we have a reversal candle, what we supposed to do? We're supposed to take this, right? 7 minute. No, I'll have a long entry saying here this is a wrong one, right? I forgot to change that. So obviously it's going to be a short entry, either 7 minute or 20 minute. So I'll change that in the charts and before I post on the Telegram, right? So just you understand what I'm talking about, right? So 61 back to 23 maybe, right? If maybe, then what we need a 7 minute proper entry, and if that comes in, we take it, right? So this is one of the chart. Then the second chart is in line is the Parnasi. You see that Parnasi? The last time I made the chart when we were bouncing from here, that is going to go up and went all the way where? Exactly to 78%, 127% extension level. You see that? If you draw the fifth from here to here, what do you see? We see exactly at 127 and then this level here. We hit that. We already have the reversal candle and it is nicely slowly coming down. Now pay attention to the news at 9:30 p.m. Eastern time today. I mean tonight for Aussie dollar, right? That can send this thing back to the downside. So going to the upside, I had my entry here. I closed early, but then usually if you hold for 127, how much? 150 pip trade, right? That's how easy it is. If you understand it properly, then it's very easy, right? So I'm going to make. I'll explain that in the video that I'm going to make next about yen pairs. What happened to yen pairs and how I have so many big trades, right? There you will understand it. Very easy, right? So don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get my video on time. So yeah, so this is what's happening here. So I'm hoping that this thing is gonna drop. The next setup is here. Pound yen doing the same thing, just like euro yen. It went up from here from 93.53. Look, it went up to 95.26. Then my entry was right there when it was bouncing from here, going to the upside. And I'll show you why and how I hold this one and what was the reason that I hold all the way to the upside, right? So there is a reason, and that happened every single day. You can repeat rinse, repeat every single day. Maybe 2 or 3 trade like that, for more than 100 pip trade. Very easy. So this is the third one that now I'm expecting that it might be if we hold 95.26. You draw the fifth from here to here, we are at 78%. Usually we go back to 38%, which are a couple of numbers are here at 38%. So very good chance that we will drop and then go back here before going to the upside again, right? So this is one of the setup. And then another one is, well, gold I already showed you. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So these are the, 3 or 4. Oh, let me show you, by the way, USD yen as well. If yen in pair is going to drop, then no, not this one, not this one, not this one, this one, and this one. So USD yen on the back of the yen news and then yen getting weaker, this went up from here, right? 3 drive pattern exactly at support, big, huge support, and then it went up also. So all yen pair, there was a news, red news, right? About yen. And right after that, this happened. All yen pair. Yen got weaker, yen index got weaker, yen index start to go up, all yen pairs start to follow that. And but like I said, that I'll explain that in detail, that how you can do the same thing as I did, right? So this is the one. It's a good setup that, if yen pair gonna drop because of the yen strength somehow, or just a retracement, then this will also drop. So euro yen, pound yen, you already saw this one. It's all the way up here, so it have a very good chance of coming down. What about CAD yen and Aussie yen? So CAD yen, see, it is also, let me draw the fib here. Forget about this one. Where this fib coming from? From here? No. Oh, here. So I'm going to take that out. That's history already. Beautiful pattern, harmonic pattern, a big, huge reaction, right? Now, this one also, you can see that we are almost touching the 61%. And then this level here, bring it forward. Boom. Right? So if we stay below here and the reversal candle and 7-minute entry right here, and then go back to 23% line, or even maybe more to the downside. Who knows, right? For Aussie yen, didn't go much to the upside because Aussie is also very weak. That's the reason pound Aussie and euro Aussie went up, right? So yen got weaker, but Aussie is also weak, so this thing is not pushing it to the upside. Now, if yen start to get strong, then we have a very good chance that this will drop faster than anything else, any other pair, to the downside. But this is not a very good setup, so forget about that, right? So stick all to pound yen, euro yen, CAD yen, USD yen, and then pound Aussie. And quickly, let me show you the euro Aussie as well. Pound Aussie is coming from the top, but euro Aussie, it is like kind of like a double top, right? But it's not all the way to the extension level. When it was here, it was a good setup, right? It was a nice retracement exactly at the EMAs, and then we're supposed to go away from the EMAs, and it did. But now it's supposed to go and do, like extension to 127, which it didn't so far. Extension 127 is coming here. So what was the reason? Pound Aussie went up, but not the euro Aussie. Something is fishy, so I'll put this thing on the side for today. We will see tomorrow what happened. Right. So this is it for now. These are the setups. I'll make the charts already made, but there are a couple of mistakes there, so I'm gonna fix those mistakes, and then I'm gonna post on the Telegram. Right. And again, like I said, the gold, it is right there, sitting there, and getting ready to bounce and go for wave 5. Right. So we beautifully followed step by step from this, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then this 3, and then 4. Every step of the way, we traded this gold thingy very, very good. And let's get ready. And the rest of the week, I think that we will be going to the upside in this wave if we stay above this area, if we stay above this 3290, right? There, magic wand is still out there in Trump's hand. So he can do whatever, right? And then boom, it can drop, right? But as long as he has this, that in a case, right, not out there, then we have a very good chance that it's gonna go to the upside. So let's get to work. And then after this video, like I said, that I'm gonna show you a very good technique to get because the opportunity is coming. Right tonight, Aussie news, the red news is there, and Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, and Aussie yen and Aussie USD. They will probably do the same thing what the yen did just now, a little while ago. Right. So not a little while ago, I mean, several hours ago. So after the news, actually. So this is what happened. So if you're ready, if you know exactly, you have your setup ready, then the news comes out, and then you see the direction, and boom, you make the entry, and then hold on to it until the daily range reaches all the way, right? So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. If you have any question or anything, if you need anything, then just email me. Okay. So talk to you in the next video.